Hey everybody, this is Cooking with TK and Maya. And today Maya is making a cake for Father's Day. This is for my dad, Timmy Perriman. I'll be at work tomorrow. Maya made this cake all by herself. She's finishing up the last touches right now. She did the strawberries and everything. And this is for my dad. Don't spoil it, Tasha Ellison, my cousin. Don't spoil it and go tell him what the cake look like, because you like to show him stuff on Facebook. It's gonna be a surprise. You know he like chocolate on chocolate. So we got her some story Oreos. Yeah. She trying to stand the Oreo, but we hope it'll stay.
Hand me them.
And put a toothpick in. She's gonna put a toothpick in, y'all, so it can stay, okay? But this is for my dad for Father's Day.